Hi everyone, Anna from Bairnsdale Stoves, Heaters and Barbecues. We've been servicing quite a lot of heaters that have had thick, heavy creosote build up in the flue system, and the wood quality has just not been there, or seasoned wood hasn't been used in these instances. So I just wanted to highlight one of our products that we've got in store, the Forge, and it's a moisture meter. This is a really handy tool to have at home just to measure the moisture content in your wood. Let's open her up and have a look at her. Comes with a battery. Awesome. How many times you bought appliances you need to go off and get batteries for? So pop it in there. We've also got instructions, and they're really good in-depth instructions about breeds of wood that you're using and different tests that you can do on them. So here is the machine. You really want to keep your wood, say, from 20% under to be good seasoned wood. So this is the machine here. In the back there, we'll pop open put the battery in. Oh, there's a plastic covering, bear with us. Get that off. Don't forget, take your plastic film off, everyone. Don't just put it straight in there. Then we'll get the battery in. Very easy. I'll just turn her on. Okay. Didn't put the battery in right. Read the negative and positive sign, which will show you in there. Make sure you have that matched up with the battery. Thinking, my goodness, can't operate a moisture meter. Can't put the backpack on. Okay, let's try her again. Switch her on. There she is. These are your little prongs that you're going to stab the wood into. Okay, so that's going to test it. Look at that. I've got a lot of moisture in me. So here we've got 3 different pieces of wood from 3 different piles of wood out here in the property. One which has been left out in the rain, so it'd be interesting to see what happens when we test it. As I said, 20% and under is ideal. So you want to get, if you can, to the center of the wood and give it a big jab. So we're sitting at about 24.8%. So that is a little bit above what we should be burning. Let's see what the ones out in the rain will do. And that one's at 59.1%. So it does make a difference having your wood in undercover. And I've got this other piece of wood here. I'm going to stab her in and see. That's 11.4%. So it just goes to show, now a couple of these drop-offs were from the same delivery that we had, but it just goes to show the difference of moisture in the same load of wood that you can get with your wood. So you think you're burning the same wood, you're really not. And this tool is amazing to have in the kit. Just to help when you get a delivery, or if you're cutting it yourself. It is a bit of a guide just to help ensure that you're burning quality seasoned firewood in your wood heater to get optimal heat and a cleaner burn out of your flue.